Now we'll demonstrate how to install Python 3 on macOS 10. For macOS 10 you need to visit the official Python website at python.org. Head to the download page by clicking the link on the left. On the download page, find the macOS 10 installer matching your version of macOS 10 and click the link to download it. A DMG disk image file downloads, which you open from your downloads stack or from the Finder. In the Finder window that opens, you will see the file python.mpkg, a multi-package installer file. Use the secondary click action to open the context menu for that file. From that menu, select Open. On some versions of macOS 10, you'll now be told that the file is from an unidentified developer. Press the Open button on this dialog to continue with the installation. You are now in the Python installer program. Follow the directions, clicking through the wizard. There's no need to customize the install, and you should keep the standard settings. When it's available, click the Install button to install Python. You may be asked for your password to authorize the installation. Once the installation completes, click Close to close the installer. Now that Python 3 is installed, open a terminal window and verify that you can run Python 3 from the command line. Welcome to Python! The triple arrow prompt shows that Python is waiting for your input.